Hi guys, this is the first video I've ever made for YouTube. This is my Audi A4 2-litre S-line. We're going to have a look around the car to see what shape it's in and be filming various videos to repair. So, first look. Nice, clean so far. Could do with a decontamination clean. It is pretty grotty in areas. Now if I go in, you can see mould, dirty marks. There is a small dent which I'm not too bothered about. Another small crease there. As you can see, wheels aren't in the best shape. Pretty disgusting. It has been parked under trees by the looks of it, and some bird deposits. This is a 2005 model. So as I open the door and we have the first glimpse inside, it is pretty grim. It smells. It is not the nicest place to be in. The buttons here seem to be rammed in, I'd guess. Should be a nice easy fix. Now, it does have the Bose sound system, and as we climb inside, there's a solar panel I've rigged up to try to keep the battery topped up. It's not very successful so far. You can see the level of grot inside. This looks like this could be an interesting clean. Seats are in good condition, no wear, no tear. Headliner could do with a clean. But as a whole, this car seems to be all there. It does have the Audi concert stereo, climate control, a broken glove box, spot of glue, or if I can find one on eBay. Does have cruise control, but as I said, the grot level is pretty grim. The rear of the vehicle, no idea why that's been ripped off. Someone's bright idea, but the grot continues. And the rear seats, well, oh, this is definitely where the stench is coming from. It's pretty grim. Oh, nice little centre armrest, nice little drink holder. Nice. So as I said, this is the S-line. So inside, you can see me. There we go, inside the boot. It's got the Bose sound system. Clips don't work. Big hole where there was a clip. More general grot. think this is going to need decontamination on a grand scale. It's pretty disgusting. The alloy wheels, serious curb rash, little niggly marks, another one here. As I said, it is the S-line. It's a nice scratch, probably can't, oh, you can just pick that up. Tyres are all in good shape. Now the front bumper was, the owner told me it was hanging off at some point, which is interesting. Now if I open the bonnet, there's the 2-litre inline. Unfortunately this is only the front wheel drive, not the 4-wheel drive. So after driving this car home, well, nearly buying it sight unseen, I quickly found out there was an engine management light on, which I haven't even diagnosed yet. There'll be a video, next video, me running diagnostics and working out what the issue is, and we'll go from there. Now, got a feeling this is not going to start because the battery is in very poor health. As you can see, I did have to use a booster pack. Oh, and it looks like if I give the car a little rock, it looks like there is blocked waterways somewhere down there that'll need investigating, pulling these components off here. So let's see if he starts. But this was bought as a known to have full of issues. So key in. Dead as a dodo. Dead. So if we go and rig up the booster pack, we will see if it starts. The fuel was bottom of the red when I bought the car. So if I set the camera down while I get the trusty booster pack, positive on first, if I can get a connection. There we go. On goes the negative. Ooh, sounds like signs of life. You probably hear some sort of beeping noise. Oh, we have display. Yeah, now we're talking. So doesn't look like it wants to play ball. That battery is toast by the looks of it. Can't remember turning the booster pack on, to be honest, guys. No, it is on. That sounds toast to me, that battery. Here we go again. That is flatter than a pancake. Looks like I'll be bringing my other vehicle round, starting him up longhand. So it's got all the neat tricks. It's all the right gear in the car. Just needs some fixing by the looks of it, guys. So this is the Audi. Ooh. So if we look here, I've just noticed there's a significant oil leak. Great. That'll take some investigating to work out what that is. So we'll be doing servicing on this, changing the brake fluid. The brakes were very spongy, and eventually remapping it. Now, I've already checked the reg out, and I know that this car will go to 180 horsepower from 140. So it will be reasonably quick. Now, we've had the booster pack on a few seconds. No, it's not playing ball whatsoever. So, yes, we will remap this. I've bought it to be my new daily. So, my investment was a pricely sum of £200 for all of this. Now let's have a quick look, see what the brake pads are looking like. Don't know whether you guys can pick this up. Ooh, down to bare metal. So as you can see, the grand plan is to get this to pass an MOT. Now, like I said, there is an engine management fault, uninvestigated. Video coming up shortly for that. There will be videos about cleaning the car. It's going to go right the way down to a clay bar and a polish. So if you guys like to follow, this is going to be an ongoing project over a number of weeks. So give us a look, give us a like, follow us on the Facebook, the Instagram, South Wales Auto Services. It's my remapping business, and this is just a pure bit of fun. You can see the level of grot around this car. It is pretty disgusting. I've seen pub carpets in better condition than this. Nothing that can't be cleaned. So, a little close-up look on this side. Someone's dared to eat in this vehicle. Brave. Fair amount of dirt down there. Oh, and the trick part of this car that I forgot to show. Oh, and I've even found a Pokemon. Get in. So, the glove trap, not glove box, and then it's got a fridge. Not big enough to put a 4-pack in, but you can get a sandwich. The Avant owner's manual. Yeah, it has broken there. Someone has poorly attempted to put screws through it. Yeah. Nice effort. Oh, master the technique. So, guys, give it a like, give it a follow. Thanks very much. Please stay tuned. We'll see some more.